This is the new Futaba 900 MHz redundancy system. Plugs onto the back of the 16SZ and powered up through the S-Bus 2 port. That's how we just get the antenna sort of how you like. That's my preferred position there. So as you can see, that's the main servos all hooked up. These are set up as PWM. There's the secondary receiver, runs through the S-Bus 2 port, which I've also got telemetry hooked up there. So that's an additional throttle channel hooked up onto that. This is just to demonstrate, so you can see both the throttles working there. And what you can do to check that is working, even though the green light will indicate that it is, if you depower that one, everything will still work through that receiver, or this will still be working. There's telemetry. And fail-safe positions, they'll work off this receiver here. So obviously, if it gets interference on the 2.4, it will listen to the 900 meg. But if you do have a complete shutdown, as demonstrated here, they're just going to a preset position that I did a bit earlier. Anyway, that's just it. Job done. Took a bit of nutting out. The instructions are a little bit ambiguous. So that's the standard PWM setup.